How to import iPhone contacts to Gmail. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. You can find all your contacts over here. Here, go to Lists at the top left corner. You can view all your contact lists over here. Go over to any of your lists from here. Tap and hold the list and select Export. Now, tap on Done at the top right corner. Here, scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Your file will now be saved to this folder on your phone. Change the name of the file if you want. Then, tap on Save at the top right corner. Now, go back and open up Safari. Go to www.contacts.google.com. Once you're here, tap on Import Contacts. Then, tap on Select File. Here, select the file you just exported. And then, tap on Import. You have now successfully imported this contact to Gmail. Following these steps, you can easily import iPhone contacts to Gmail.